I-4's newest interchange at Daryl Carter Parkway is open and final project work is now complete. In the early hours of July 19th, FDOT crews opened 3 new ramps, transforming the existing overpass into a new I-4 interchange. Since then, crews completed the final touches, including final paving, finishing pavement markings, and completing lighting and signage work in the interchange. Central Florida's newest diverging diamond interchange, or DDI, features off-ramps from both directions of I-4 and a new eastbound entrance ramp. The 2 new off-ramps make up the brand-new Exit 70. With more than 250,000 vehicles traveling through the 3 closest interchanges daily, this new connection helps ease congestion in this area of Orlando's busy tourism corridor. To navigate the DDI, simply follow your lane, pavement markings, and signage. At the first traffic signal, cross over to the left side of the road. When heading east, keep left to access eastbound I-4. At the second traffic signal, follow your lane back to the right side of the road. So why a DDI? DDIs eliminate left turns across oncoming traffic, reducing crash risks by nearly 50% and moving twice as many vehicles as traditional interchanges in the same amount of time. With the new I-4 interchange at Daryl Carter Parkway, drivers have more options to access local communities, attractions, shopping, iDrive, hotels, restaurants, and more. Exit 70 is officially open and the project is complete. Try I-4's newest connection today. For more information, visit i4beyond.com/Daryl Carter.